Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I did these passion twists in less than 2 hours. And yes, you heard me correctly. This hairstyle is quick and easy. As you all can see, I have my hair section in half, and that is because in the back here, we are going to go ahead and do some cornrows because we are going to crochet the passion twist in the back. And of course, you want to detangle each section before starting your braid. I personally like to finish my braids with a twist, and of course I coil the ends. And now I'm going to section off another medium-sized section. As you all can see, I did not do these cornrows too tiny in the back, and that is because I know I didn't want to overfill my head with the crochet passion twist. So this time when I do the second braid, I am going to pull one of the cornrows up that I previously did so that now I only have one braid hanging. And of course I repeated that process on this side of my head. So I purposely started on one side and then moved to the other because I knew that I wanted my center braid to be able to connect both cornrows. I believe if you're going to have a larger braid, it always needs to be in the middle instead of the side, because the middle is not really going to be seen as much as the sides of your hair. So in total, I have 7 cornrows in the back, and now I'm going to take my crochet needle to hide the ends of that braid. And as you all can see, I tuck it into 2 cornrows just to make sure that it is secure and very well hidden. If you all are curious, this video was recorded a few months ago, so that is why I don't have braces. But moving on to the front, as you all can see, I did split the front into 2 sections, and now I am working on my rows. I am using Shine and Jam on my parts just to make sure that they are crisp and as neat as possible. I am going for medium-sized sections in the front just to match the passion twist that I will be using. I believe that it was important for me to do the individuals in the front because of the hairstyle that I was going for. I believe that it would look as if I had individual boxes all over my head. So as you all can see here, I am just braiding each section down. I would say probably about 2 inches or maybe an inch, but I think I braided probably like 10 times. I'm not really good with measuring, but you all can see on camera. As I do these sections, I am adding a little bit more jam if needed and actually taking my comb to help smooth the perimeter of each section. This is going to make the hairstyle look as neat as possible. And I repeat this process until the entire front section is complete. So on each side I have 2, 2, and then I have 3, and then I have 4. And I repeated the same amount of sections on the other side of my head. The passion twists that I will be using today are by Freetress, and it is a 3x passion twist 18-inch in the color 2. To use the crochet needle, I just open up the latch and then I'm sliding it through the braid and inserting the passion twist on, closing the latch, and then sliding it through. And then once I get the crochet needle through the braid, gently, of course, because the braids are somewhat tight, I then make a knot with the passion twist, and then I repeat this process all over the back section of my head. Now the trick to making sure that the passion twists are even, I pretty much mirror what I put on each single braid, if that makes sense. So like the braid on my right side, I make sure I have the same amount on the braid that's on the left side. and then I meet up in the middle. And this is how you make sure that one side is not heavier than the other and it has some uniform to it. Now right here I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail because I wanted to see which parts of my cornrows were showing. So as you all can see, I am adding more passion twists to the braids that are on the edges. So the back and also one side of the front section is complete, and it is time to go ahead and show you all how I installed the individuals in the front. As you all can see here, I am smoothing a lot of jam down that section. And with an unraveled passion twist, I am going to braid the hair in about 8 times. As I move forward up through my hair, I do braid a little bit less than 8 times because 8 times was not completely necessary. And then I take my hair and I make sure that I am twisting it along with the strand and with the other piece, just to make sure that my hair is hidden on the inside. Once my hair is completely concealed, I then twist lightly, not as tightly, all the way down to the ends and secure with a knot. Now, I know you all have seen this in previous videos of mine with me doing passion twists, but don't worry, I'm going to show you again. I am going to start off by braiding down a few times.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all
And now I'm going to combine my hair with one of the strands, and I am going to begin twisting tightly just to make sure that my hair is being concealed between the twists. And then once my hair is completely concealed, I'm going to twist all the way down to the end, but not trying to twist as tightly so that it can match the pattern of the twist in the back. And then once I get to the end, I'm going to do a simple knot just to make sure that the twist is secure. And of course, I love when I reach the last one. I am going to repeat that same process.
but I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me?
If I create too much unwanted frizz, I will go ahead and trim that frizz off at the end on the twist in the front. Now on to styling. I am going for 2-bit jumbo twists in the front that will be connected together with a hair tie in the middle. So that is what you all will see me doing here, is really getting the twist to frame my face into my satisfaction. I will gather some of the passion twists from the back that are connected to the cornrows, and this is just going to make my ponytail a little bit more secure. So I did clip one section back as I formed the other, just so that the twist didn't fall down. But once I have both twists in place, I'm going to remove the clip and then do my hair tie 2 times. And that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. This hairstyle that was completed in less than 2 hours can definitely last you up to 4 weeks. As always, if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!